Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP. Tip 4. How you can start the ABAP debugger at any time, so always. So especially if you would like to debug some programs, the logic within SAP, you should of course always set breakpoints, session breakpoints, external breakpoints, but at some point that's not possible because you don't know where the coding is executed. You don't know what kind of program. You just would like to explore and find the path where an error or a warning basically happens. And the easiest way how to always start the ABAP debugger is by using a little trick within the command key. There you can enter the command /h. If you enter this command, then you can see in the bottom left area that the debugging is switched on. If you also would like to debug some system programs, then you can use the command /hs. Then you will see also in the status bar that the debugging is switched on. So after entering the command /h in the command field, then the next action that you do within the SAP system will trigger the ABAP debugger, will open up the ABAP debugger within the corresponding ABAP coding, and there you can explore basically the ABAP coding and see what is the root cause, what happens. And then with forwarding, with F5, with F6, you can go to the part that you need. And this is the easiest and the way how to always start the debugger. So once again, if we, for example, call a transaction like the Miro, then you can see that now ABAP debugger is starting. Then here we will end up in the debugger. You can make some changes, what you want to. You can explore some variables. As mentioned, you can explore what happens within here. In the rare case that /hs is not working, then make sure under settings that system debugging is turned on. So with this function, you can switch between turning it off and on. So keep this in mind. And yeah, this is how you can always start it. If you have any questions left, please put them in the comment section. Please like this video and please do not forget to subscribe to not miss great upcoming videos. 96 great videos still left. So see you in the next video.